Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see how to insert your voice note in Gmail as well as Google Form. This video is very interesting for you. Sometimes you are not ready to write something in your Gmail or Google Form, so you can add your voice and send as a reply anyone using these tips and tricks. So how to do it? Let's start with the demonstration. Before start the demonstration, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rock. So you just simply open your Google and just type here MOTE, enter. So this is a voice note feedback or voice notes extension are introduced couple of days ago. So you just simply type here, copy. I'm putting this link in video description as well. I already installed this one. Just simply you can open this one, install here, and then after you open your Gmail account. So here I open my Gmail account and just simply I compose the message. Suppose for example someone are sending me message and I want send them some feedback as a message voice, as a voice. So that perspective, you click here extension of this one, sign in using your Gmail account or any other Facebook, LinkedIn account, and then use this one. So automatically these options are come here. You click and record your message. So suppose for example I click here and currently I am speaking something. Hey, how are you? Can you please reply me as soon as possible? I need some help. So I'm providing this message using this recording features, and then after finish my message I can click here. So this message automatically comes as a composed message, and you can add here your email ID and very easily send someone this particular message like this. Look at this. What I exactly saying, this message are automatically recorded here, and you can send this one. Same things you can apply as a Google Form also. Like say I send this mail myself only, and same thing you can apply as a Google Form also, and you record your message and convey your students or other colleagues or other activities. This feature is amazing, one of the best feature for I saw ever. You can install this extension in Google Chrome and enjoy as a voicemail transaction using these tips and tricks. Hope you like this video. Before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel and follow me on Instagram, same Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.